Check that the bath has been installed correctly, tiled down onto and sealed to the bath manufacturer's fitting guidelines. The product must be fitted to a tiled, non-porous flat surface. Fixings are supplied for solid walls only. Ensure that the fixings supplied with the bath screen are used. Ensure the area is clean, dry and dust-free. Position the wall channel against the wall approximately 10 mm from the outside edge of the bath. Using a spirit level, ensure the channel is vertically level. The wall channel provides 10 mm of adjustment for out-of-true walls. Once leveled, mark the wall through the pre-drilled holes in the wall channel. Remove the wall channel and drill the holes where marked. Then insert a roll plug. Place the wall channel against the wall and screw into place. Next, prepare the horizontal seal. Cut out a 75 mm section from one end of the seal. Once the seal has been prepared, place the bath screen on the floor, bottom side up, for ease of fitting. Remove the screw located at the front of the panel and push fit the end cap molding and fix into place using the screw previously removed. Slide the horizontal seal through the bottom panels. When complete, tie the end of the seal to a tight knot and secure. Push fit the seal end cap into position. Then trim the horizontal seal overlap, pulling the seal tight to remove any slack. Flip the bath screen over so the top of the bath screen is viewed and push fit the hinge screw cover caps. Before putting the bath screen in position, using the silicone gun, apply silicone to the inside of the wall channel. Lift the bath screen and locate into the wall channel. From inside the bath, drill 3 mm diameter holes through the pre-drilled wall channel holes using an HSS drill bit. Insert the screws, secure, and complete by fixing cover caps. Using silicone, seal the vertical from top to bottom both inside and out and leave for 24 hours to dry prior to use.